How can condensate drainage prevent damage to your compressed air system, and that both adapted to the amount of condensate and without loss of compressed air? These are the strengths of the BEKOMAT Vario. But exactly how does it work, adapted to the amount of condensate and without compressed air loss? Condensate flows in via the inlet line. A capacitive sensor constantly monitors the condensate level. When a given condensate level is reached, a preset countdown begins in the electronic monitoring unit. During this time, both the BEKOMAT Vario and the upstream assemblies that have been optimized for Vario functions continue to fill, until the BEKOMAT drains the condensate. Once again, as the condensate flows in, the membrane remains closed due to system pressure. Its larger upper surface provides the necessary closing force on the valve seat and seals it tightly. During the countdown, the intake can continue to fill, thereby increasing the capacity of the BEKOMAT Vario. When the countdown ends, the electronic monitoring unit activates the solenoid valve, allowing venting of the space above the membrane. The closing force decreases and the membrane is pushed up by the pressure from below. Condensate can now flow freely into the outlet line. The valve switches back, the membrane closes, and the cycle begins again. In actual operation, the solenoid valve switches so quickly that no valuable compressed air escapes. The BEKOMAT Vario drains the condensate into the ERVAMAT oil-water separator mounted downstream, adapted to the amount of condensate and without compressed air loss.